Super C and Bearberry Face Serum. Now, our Super C and Bearberry Face Serum was formulated to enhance your natural luminosity and actively brighten your skin. This is a vitamin C rich formula that fights dull and uneven skin with 100% natural actives and extracts. Your skin loves vitamin C because it works to neutralize free radicals and aids in your skin's natural regeneration process, which helps to repair damaged skin, meaning you're left with glowing, even complexion. We've included bearberry extract in this formula because it contains an extract which is called arbutin. It also has that beautiful Kakadu Plum, which has 20 times the amount of vitamin C than any other extract of its type. Now, use this after cleansing, before you put your moisturizer or oil on, and don't forget to apply it down your neck onto your décolletage area, because we forget about that sometimes, to really get that even appeal.